So I'm Trisha Arthur-Stubbs. I'm the Festival Director for Brave Festival, and Brave stands for Black Roots and Voices Expressed, and it's just a really positive celebration for Black History Month. So I think that Black History Month should be a celebration rather than just thinking about slavery or the really negative things like police brutality or racism. So I wanted to think of all the positive things that Black people have had to influence society in arts and culture. So things that people might not realise came from Black culture, like tap dance. We have had Charleston today, Majorette baton twirling, which is absolutely awesome. We had dance hall and Caribbean carnival dance. So some things that people might not realise came from Black culture, and some things that people might know, like rap and breakdance. And also we've got a big DJ set as well, and DJing also came out of Black culture as well. This has been a thing for all ages, all backgrounds, and everyone's just joined in and celebrated together. So I think it's really important to do something that's a bit different, that everyone wants to join in with. We are planning to run Brave Festival every other year, so we'll have it again in 2025.